A base and ends technique is ideal for clients who desire a striking dimensional color design. The contrast in color can range from bold to subtle, depending on the colors chosen, sculpted texture, and desired effect. A contrast of color was created on this medium light field. Longer interior lengths were pre-lightened, then recolorized with a violet color. The base and remaining lengths were darkened. The finish shows a contrast of color in which interior lengths are accentuated. A contrast of color is designed to complement this combination of graduated, increased layered, and uniformly layered lengths. The art shows an oval-shaped section in the interior, which is subdivided to control shorter lengths. Color will be applied to the remainder of the hair using vertical partings at the back and slightly diagonal partings at the sides and the front. Horizontal partings will be used to apply color only to the base within the oval-shaped interior section. Note that these partings are only approximate when working with the very short lengths at the nape. Create an oval-shaped section in the interior and subdivide the oval into 3 sections. Apply barrier cream around the entire hairline to prevent staining. Begin at the center nape. Use the brush to separate the lengths vertically and apply color from base to ends. Work to one side of the nape using the same technique. You may also use the other hand to help control the lengths. Then, work from the center to the other side of the nape. Use the tail of the color brush to lift the hair away from the scalp. In the upper back, use thin vertical partings and apply color using the same technique. Work from the center toward one ear. Then, work from the center to the other side using the same technique to complete the back. Move to one side and use slightly diagonal partings to apply the color using the same technique. Adapt the partings as you work toward the front. Position the brush parallel to the front hairline and direct the lengths away from the face. Work to the center front. Then repeat the same technique on the opposite side. The art shows that thick horizontal partings will be used to apply color only at the base within the oval-shaped interior section. Release the back section and release a horizontal parting at the front of the section. Apply color to the top and bottom of the strand only at the base. Work from the center to one side, then the other side. Continue to use the same technique as you work toward the back. Apply color consistently to the base only. Apply color generously to ensure that the bases blend with the lengths. Next, release the front section. Starting at the back of the section, use horizontal partings and apply color to both sides of the strand, only at the base. Work to the front using the same technique. Use the end of the application brush to lift the base so the ends remain in an upright position. Repeat the same technique on the other front section. Begin at the back of the section and work to the front. The art shows that pivotal partings will be used in the back portion of the interior section, and horizontal partings will be used within the front half, which is sectioned with the center part. Lightener will be applied to the ends of approximately half of each parting. Starting at the back section, take a pivotal parting on one side. Without disturbing the color at the base, split the parting in half and apply lightener to the ends of the outer portion. Take another pivotal parting and use the same technique to apply the lightener to the ends of the inner portion. Work to the other side, alternating between the inner and outer portions of each parting. Begin at the back of the front section with a horizontal parting on one side of the center part. Split the parting in half and apply lightener to the ends of the inner portion. Work toward the front of the section using the same technique, alternately applying lightener to the inner or outer strand. Repeat the same technique on the other side, staggering the lightened strands with those on the first side. Process until the desired degree of lightening is achieved. Rinse, shampoo, and towel blot the hair thoroughly. Apply a semi-permanent violet color over the entire interior section. Process according to manufacturer's instructions. Rinse, shampoo, condition, and finish as desired. The finish shows a striking contrast of color that enhances the activated texture within the interior.